welcome back to Mabel. After 6 weeks of redoing her, she looks pretty different. Although the outside looks the same, like the inside looks completely different.
Wow.
So without further ado, let's go. We'll start with the inside of the door, which we painted a pretty light pink color. You've got the normal door and then the screen door with the cute little Christmas wreath at the top. And then as we walk inside, here's our little COVID safety station right under the mirror, which we painted the edges of it white. We actually tried to take this off and it would not come off because it was glued on. So we made it work. And then we have two little air plants right here to jazz up the place. You can't really see it in the light, but I put one of the neon signs I make up because it looks really good. We didn't really change very much about, like, the wallpaper is still the same, but we have new curtains, which you can see on these windows, and curtains to block off the front so that people can't see inside. Obviously it comes untucked, I'm just too lazy. And we put a mattress pad on this bed, which so it's super comfy now. But the mattress pad's a little bit bigger, so it does like a fun little spillover action.
I like it. I think it makes it cozy.
I think it looks really cozy as well. We painted everything white, as you could probably tell. That's kind of the biggest difference here. And we painted all of the handles of nice rose gold, which looks really nice. Yes, that blurry. And on the inside, this has cups and such. And then we've got like bowls and stuff over here. The insides are obviously still gross looking because who really cares about the insides? This couch. My mom reupholstered this couch. Basically the way she did it is she made like two fitted sheets, one for this cushion and one for this cushion, and then stapled pink fabric to this and to the underbit as well. But it looks amazing. And we've got some cute little throw pillows here. Looks really nice. Fits with the whole pink thing. And we also reupholstered these little cushion bits that were really weird before, but now they look really chic. We've got our little library and our toaster, which is kind of a weird combo. And this is the junk drawer.
Oh!
We're being real on this door. And then we have the dinette area, which my mom said had to be all made up so that it looked really chic, you know. So we reupholstered all of the cushions here, which look really nice. They match the couch. Everything's painted white. My mom actually made little pillow covers for two random pillows.
What? Sorry, I didn't know that.
Just today bought this blanket for Christmas time, but decided that it should go up right now.
Oh, of course.
Which is classic. She also really liked that eye pillow. She got it at Target. It's limited edition. It's much smaller than I expected it to be, but it looks really cute there. And then we've got the kitchen area. Well, first we've got my friend Sarah painted this painting for me because I went to Paris, and when I was there I saw this like huge canvas and I'm so mad I didn't buy this painting, and then for my birthday she painted it for me and it fits perfectly right here, which is really awesome. And then as you can see, we did a little what's her name, Dakota Johnson?
Yeah.
We did a Dakota Johnson kitchen moment with the under cabinets being painted this beautiful green color. I was worried that these handles would look really weird with it, but it actually looks really good. And we'll go over, this tiny drawer has just all of our silverware, and then we've got all of our kitchen tools in this second drawer. The third one's a little more junky, but it just has like scissors, dustpan, all of like the random stuff that you need. And then the fourth is just like kitchen towels and stuff. We didn't want to overpower with the green in the kitchen, so we have the green here. We did not do the upper cabinets, but we did this little corner of green right under the microwave, which you might notice is a little different. We decided that the other microwave was gross, and also the handle was a little broken, so we had this retro microwave in our basement. I know, really weird that we had it in this color. And my dad reframed the outside because obviously like the other one was way bigger, so we reframed it for now. Once I get back, we will fix this so that there might be like a little shelf up there, which could be really useful. But oh, what? That's something we'll have to figure out. And then we put this cute little eye here, and then we secured it with hooks on either side so that when we're driving along, it won't like we move. But I think it looks really good there. It's a nice filler space. And then we got these, you can't even tell really. I got these like little shelves for in here because they're such tall cabinets. I thought that in order to fit more stuff more effectively, it'd be better if we had shelves. So we have one in there and one over with the where the glasses are. And this is our noodles. It's literally just like pasta and then ramen noodles and mac and cheese, and that's the whole cabinet. We got a nice matching pink Keurig, matches the aesthetic, and then we got this like drying rack and such. We also painted over the cover for the burners so that it looked really nice.
Ooh. Spices!
The spice rack, a magnetic spice rack. This is really handy
for it.
I almost forgot to show it. We decided that a magnetic spice rack would be perfect right there, so we got one, and they're really awesome. They all stick, and we've been driving with them, and they haven't fallen out, which is awesome because having like a snow of spices would be a moment. But these are great because the tops, you don't even have to take the top off. You just kind of twist it, and then there's a hole, and you can just use it like that. But that fits perfectly there. And then we got this new paper towel holder. If you remember the old one, that was absolutely disgusting. So we painted this one that rose gold color as well. And then the big ticket item is, of course, the fridge. Which now has this beautiful wallpaper on it. Was the wallpaper pricey? Yes. Was it worth it? You decide. I think it was. I think we basically designed the whole RV around this wallpaper, and it looks really good. But yes, it is a wallpaper. All it has in it is LaCroix.
You're ready to go.
Ready! Is there anything in the freezer? Oh, and ice cubes, I think. That's all I need.
Unfilled ice cubes.
Oh.
Today. Yummy.
And then we have up here, which is our snack cabinet. You know, only the essentials. We decided this was a good station for if like we're driving and then we're like, oh, go get snacks. You can just quickly grab and go. And then down here, we put all of our pans in these weird like
Cushy things.
For protection. This runner fits perfectly right in here, and it's amazing. Now on to the bathroom. We first have the shower, which looks pretty much the same, right? Except for the door, which it's a little sticky still because it was spray painted, but you get the gist. We spray painted this so that it matched because that cream color was ugly. Also, there was mold, so it needed to be done. But other than that, this bathroom is the same. Hopefully when I get back. Oh yeah, we painted up there, but hopefully when I get back, we will fix that. Then we have this nice shoe thing on this door. Normally, I think that these look really ugly on doors. However, I think that it looks really nice here actually, because it's not too cluttered. This space is kind of empty, there's plenty of like walking room, so it works well there. And then in the bathroom, this transformation was crazy. Look at that. Do you see that? You see down there? No more
No carpet.
freaking carpet. I was not there for that removal, but that was amazing. And then, ooh, she's doing close-up shots.
Yeah, gotta get that artsy.
Ooh. So, the toilet's still the same. However, carpet is gone. Thank God. We put the towel rack back up, except we painted it that same rose gold, but it matched everything. We've got this cute Zen fake plant action going on here. These curtains my mom made. I actually have a matching mask so that I can match the curtains here, you know, only the best. And we decided to paint this wall green, and that was before we decided to put this wallpaper on, but I think they look really good together. I was a little bit worried that it would be very overpowering, but we had all this extra wallpaper and decided that we didn't want to put it above on like the above bed, above the cab, because we thought it would be a little bit too much. So it worked perfectly in the bathroom, and we painted this, so it's really nice. It's got all our toiletries in it. And up here, this doesn't open all the way because it gets blocked by this, but that's okay. And then down here, got toilet paper and a nice big trash can. That's actually our biggest trash can in the entire RV is right there. So that should be an interesting ride. We also put back up these towel holders, except of course, spray painted rose gold. And we've got a bath mat down here for when showers happen, and some towels. All right, and now for the grand finale. We've got the bedroom. I love how this turned out. I think it looks super nice and it's super comfy. Of course, everything is painted white, but like the inside of the closet is still the same. Just got has stuff in it now, you know. Oh, we took the light out so that we don't accidentally burn out the batteries by keeping the closet open. And then my mom made some more curtains, which look really good here. I hung out one of my folklore records. This is actually the first one I ever made. And I hung it up in here to kind of, because it had to go in here, because this is like the whole reason that I was able to buy this RV is because I made, is because my TikTok blew up. So it has a little special place in the RV. And then these curtains look really nice. A cute fall pumpkin. I have this extension cord hidden by the curtains that roots all the way over here. I velcroed this mirror down so that I can do my makeup here if I want. Got this poster which Lydia, my amazing camera woman, got for me for my birthday. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit in the RV because there's very limited wall space, but it actually fits perfectly right here, and it's super lightweight, kind of fits the vibe, has some of the colors, but looks really Pinterest and cute there. And then we have the TV, which we put back up. Who knows if we will use it, we'll see. And we hung some different hooks down here because I have a lot of backpacks, so I kind of needed a place. And we have this set of hooks kind of hanging around the house. Just put it up there. The bed! She now has a mattress topper, so she's super comfy. And all of these pillows, a lot of them came from my college dorm room, so we didn't splurge too much on pillows this time, which was quite a surprise for our family, honestly. And we've got a nice duvet cover, and the softest blanket in the world is right under here. This thing is the best, so I know that I will be all warm on the road. And then just got sweaters up here for if it gets chilly, you gotta grab it quick. This one's empty, lol. There's so much space in here. We didn't even use it all. And then we've got some just like shorter jackets in here. And the under the bed storage, there's 2 bins that currently aren't in it because Ronnie took them, but you can fit so much under here. You can fit 5 clear bins. That's crazy. Like, there's so much storage in this RV that we didn't even use, which is great. So that's it. That's it for now, because the minute that I get back, my parents will be attacking the RV again. But I hope you enjoyed the process and the final product. Stick around to see what we get up to in this thing. I'm super excited with how it turned out. I think it looks so clean and feminine and cute. And I'm excited to have lots of adventures in this for years to come. Who knows if it'll stay the same looking, but it'll always look cute from now on. Thank you. Goodbye.
Artsy shot of me walking away. Bam.